Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. So stores are slowly opening here in America, and I went to Louis Vuitton store a couple of days ago. I'm so excited to share with you guys what was new there for summer 2020 and also which one of their classic bag is my favorite. Its cowl collection is so pretty. It's tie and dye. It has like blue color, blue and white, and there was red and pastel colors. Blue is my favorite color. Comment down below which one do you like.
And this is the PM actually.
Yeah,
sorry.
this is PM, yeah.
It's 1580.
Yeah.
It looked big to me, so I thought it was the lemon.
And I remember I have tried it like once and it was with my height, it was looking quite
I know.
small.
It's
Yeah.
pretty small.
Yeah.
It's pretty
This is my favorite, like this
That's nice.
shape and
I
the
know, me
structure.
too. I love that one. It's a classic bag.
Yeah. Do you like with the summer collection? Do you have any different color in this kind of shape?
No. For Alma,
Yeah,
I actually do have the BB Alma.
you
If
do.
you want to look at it.
No, I think it's going to be too
But it's
small.
this one. Well, these are all the Almas.
Is this also going to be discontinued soon?
No.
Okay.
They all have one. But this is just a, and it comes
Oh, it's so
out.
pretty from inside.
I know, it's a beautiful,
Kind of royal blue.
yeah, absolutely. This is 25 cents.
Does this come with the?
Yeah, it comes with that. With the
Because for the
So she can put
other
it on
one
her shoulder.
I bought like separately.
So that one, I don't think it comes with a strap.
Yeah, I bought separately. So it comes with that.
But this one is included. Ponte, that's the thing.
Okay, Ponte.
Let me see the price so you can take a
It's
picture.
right here.
Right here.
Yeah. Okay.
2008. And it comes with a strap.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's a really nice fabric.
And it's secure. You can just zip and.
It's all leather.
Um,
This has been doing really well. That's why I showed it to you. It's a New York style for sure.
yeah, I don't remember seeing this
it's a
one.
New York style.
Is there any other color in this one also? I mean, black is perfect, but
I don't know. We never got any other color in this, but I can definitely check for you.
no, I think it's okay. But that red pink one is so pretty.
There's a middle zipper and then it has.
Yeah, that's nice.
It is called Serene. MM. That's a medium size. It's 3,300. It's all leather.
The color is really pretty.
It comes in black too, just so you know.
ये इनकी नई कलेक्शन है समर की. एक इसमें ब्लू एंड वाइट है और एक है बहुत ही बेबी पिंक एंड वाइट था. और जो मेरा फेवरेट बैग यहाँ पे है वो ये है अल्मा PM. इसमें BB भी एक होता है, इससे छोटा होता है, लेकिन कभी भी इस तरह की चीज़ ऑनलाइन नहीं लेनी चाहिए. आप स्टोर में जाएं, इसको ट्राई करें, क्योंकि जैसे आपकी हाइट की भी बात होती है, वो भी थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा था कि हम जैसे काट के लोगों पे ना छोटा लगता है, तो इंसान को खुद जाके ट्राई करना चाहिए। पिंक के साथ नया वाला ये है। अगर आप और इस तरह की चीज़ें देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाला हुआ है, उस पर क्लिक कीजिएगा और उसको फॉलो करें, तो मैं वहाँ और चीज़ें भी पोस्ट करूँगी। और यूट्यूब पे सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ जो नोटिफिकेशन का बटन है उसको भी दबाना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अदरवाइज़ फिर आपको नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आती अगर किसी ने वीडियो डाली है जिसको आपने सब्सक्राइब किया है। सो अगर आप मिस आउट नहीं करना चाहते तो उसको ज़रूर दबाइएगा। बाकी अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.